On a summer weekend morning, sunny but chilly, I spotted a pigeon nest directly in front of the office window. The nest is being built on a firm branch in a large tree surrounded by dense foliage, right next to a busy bus stop. But there is a quiet, hidden, almost secretive feeling among the leaves. The nest is sheltered by leaves and small branches, protecting it from wind and storms. Pigeons are intelligent, monogamous, and mate for life, and this pair of pigeons is still building their first nest. Eggs will likely soon be laid. This is the female pigeon, sitting in the nest while the male flies in search of small branches to make the nest bigger, stronger, and safer. Here, the male flies back with a small tree branch. He quickly places it inside the nest and flies away again. Watching nature following its own patterns and laws will be fascinating. We will watch this new couple each day, their behaviors and hopefully their eggs and then babies, and see new life come into the world.